Welcome to the session. In this session, I am going to explain about how to write shell script. Okay, means you are going to write shell programs. Okay, in Unix operating system, you are going to write shell script. In order to write shell script, okay, in order to write shell program, first we have to understand the type of operators that are available in Unix operating system. Okay, there are a number of operators that are available in Unix. First, in order to write small programs, we have to understand about arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. Without understanding of these operators, we cannot write any shell program. Okay, so today we are going to write shell script. Okay, simple program. First I am going to explain. First one is arithmetic operators. Okay, the operators which are used to perform arithmetic calculations are known as arithmetic operators. Okay, so the following are the arithmetic operators. Plus is used to perform addition operation. Minus is used to perform subtraction operation. Slash star is used to perform multiplication. And this slash is used to perform division. And this is used to get remainder. Okay, percentage is used to get remainder. Okay, so all operators similar in both the C language, Java language, and Python language. Only one operator is different, that is slash star, which is used to perform multiplication. Okay, so all these are the operators which are used to perform arithmetic operations. Okay, and the next type of operators are relational operators. Okay, actually the relational operators are less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, and not equals to, or these are the relational operators. Okay, in this shell script, we have to substitute instead of less than or equals to, hyphen LT stands for less than. Okay, hyphen LE stands for less than or equals to. Greater than is denoted by hyphen GT. Greater than or equals to. Equal to, hyphen EQ denotes equal to. NE stands for not equals to. Okay, so all these are the relational operators that are used to perform or to compare the values in two variables. Okay, so relational operators are used to compare the values in two variables. Okay. First program is to calculate arithmetic operations. Okay, how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so all these operations can be done by writing a single program. Okay, so first I am taking two variables and I am initializing the two variables. Okay, this is the program to print 4 arithmetic calculations. Okay. Okay, I'm taking two variables A and B, and I'm initializing these two variables with A with 10 and B is equals to 2. Okay, static values. Okay, in order to perform addition operation, first we have to understand the command expr command. Okay, the syntax for expr command is, first you have to take one variable. Okay, in order to perform addition. Okay, expr. Okay, this is the operator which is available under escape key in keyboard. Okay, expr space first variable name space plus space second variable. Okay, next we have to end. This is the syntax for expr command. Expr space first variable name space arithmetic operator plus space $b second variable. Okay, this is how to perform addition operation by using expr command. Okay, the final value of this statement will be stored in a variable c. Okay, next, subtraction operation. D is equals to expr $a space minus space $b. Okay, next, multiplication. expr space first variable $a. In order to perform multiplication, we have to use slash star, no space in between slash and star. Okay, next, second variable. Next, division. expr space $a slash. This operator is used to perform division operation. Okay. Remainder. Okay. So all these are the statements which are used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and remainder. Okay, so now we have to print all the values of these variables. Okay, in order to get the value of any variable, first we have to use the command echo, the continuation of this. Okay, echo space addition or addition of A and B is equals to, okay, addition of A and B is stored in a variable C. Okay, in order to get the value of variable C, I have to specify $C. Okay, next, echo space. We can also specify like this. Subtraction of A and B is equals to $D. Okay, next, echo space product of A and B. Product of A and B is equals to $E. Okay, next, division of A and B is equals to $F. Okay, next, remainder. of A and B is equals to, remainder is stored in a variable G. Okay. This is the program to perform all arithmetic operations. Okay, the syntax of EXPR is EXPR, first single quotation. Okay, this key is available under escape key in the keyboard. Okay, EXPR space, first variable name space, operator, arithmetic operator plus space, second variable. Now I have to get this symbol. Okay, this is starting and this is ending. No space in between this operator and EXPR. Similarly, no space in between variable name and this operator. This operator is available under escape key in the keyboard. Okay. So operators are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, slash star for division, multiplication, and this slash for division, and this percentage is used for remainder. Okay, all these are used to perform the operations. In order to get the value of these variables C, D, E, F, G. Okay, not to print any value. The statement in this Unix operating system is echo. Okay, this is just like printer statement in C language, echo space message. Okay, message should be enclosed in between the either single quotes or in between either single quotes or double quotes. Next, you have to specify the variable name. Okay, here the addition of A and B is stored in a variable C. Okay, here dollars. In order to get the value of any variable, that variable is to be preceded by dollar symbol. If we specify only C, means simply it is going to print C only. Okay, in order to get the value of any variable, that variable should be preceded by dollar. Okay, so addition of A and B is equals to dollar C. Next, subtraction of A and B is equals to dollar D. Next, product of A and B is equals to dollar E. Division of A and B is equals to dollar F. Next, remainder of A and B is equals to dollar G. This is how to perform all arithmetic operations. Okay. Okay. Next program is write a shell script to print area and perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, area and perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so the formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area is equals to length into breadth. Okay, so here we actually require three variables. One is for length and the other one is for breadth. Storing next multiplication of these two will be stored in area. Okay, next similarly for perimeter, we have to take one more variable. Okay, so totally in order to write this program we require 4 variables. Okay, I am taking length. For length I am taking L variable. Okay, I am initializing L is equals to 5 length. Next, for breadth I am taking variable B and I am initializing B with 5. Okay, so area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Okay, so area is equals to EXPR. Okay, length into breadth. Here length is stored in variable L, breadth is stored in variable B. Okay, so $L slash star $B. Okay. Next, similarly, perimeter of rectangle. I am taking perimeter as a variable. Okay, perimeter is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, EXPR 2 into 2 slash star. Okay, length plus breadth. Okay, $L plus $B. Okay, Now we have to print the value of area and perimeter of rectangle by using echo statement. Echo area of rectangle is equals to dollar area. Similarly, perimeter of rectangle is equals to dollar perimeter. Okay. This is about how to print the area and perimeter of rectangle. First you have to take two variables, one is for length and the other one is for breadth. Okay, here I stored 5 for length and 5 for breadth. Okay, in order to perform multiplication operation and storing the value of length and breadth product, I am taking area as one variable and perimeter one more variable. Okay, so area is equals to length into breadth, perimeter is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. In order to print the value of area and perimeter, I have to use here echo statement. Echo statement is just like printf statement in C language. Echo space message should be enclosed within single quotes or double quotes, space variable name. In order to get the value of any variable, first we have to specify the variable name should be preceded by dollar symbol, dollar variable, no space in between dollar and variable name. Okay. All these we can write at a dollar prompt only. For example, if you want to write the entire code within the editor, we have to specify the syntax like this. Okay, vi space filename dot sh. To create a file, the syntax is vi space filename dot sh. Okay, this is the syntax to create a file. Okay, then it will display the editor. Within the editor only, you have to write the entire program. This is the program. Within the editor only, you have to write the entire program. In order to save the entire shell script, first you have to click on escape shift colon WQ. W stands for save, Q for quit. Escape shift colon WQ means the entire code will be saved. Simply it is going to display the dollar prompt. Okay. To create a file, the syntax is vi space filename dot sh. Here I wrote the program for area and perimeter of a rectangle. Simply take vi space area and simply take area vi space sample dot sh. Vi space sample dot sh. Okay. Next it will display the editor. Within the editor we have to type the entire script. Next, after clicking on shift colon WQ, simply the dollar prompt will be displayed. In order to compile and execute the shell script, the command is sh space filename dot sh. This is the syntax. sh space filename dot sh. To create a file, vi space filename dot sh. To compile and run shell script, the syntax is sh space filename dot sh. Example here sample dot sh. Okay, sh space sample dot sample dot sh. Okay, then it will simply display the area and perimeter values. Okay, it will display echo. After echo statement, what is area of rectangle is equals to, okay, here length into breadth, 5 into 5, 25 will be displayed. Okay, similarly for perimeter, here perimeter of rectangle. Okay. Here you are going to perform area and perimeter of rectangle. That's why here I took 5 for length and for breadth 3. Okay. So 5 into 3 is equals to 15. Okay. Similarly 2 into L plus B. 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. 8 into 2 is equals to 16. Okay. This is about how to perform area and perimeter of a rectangle. Okay.